Here is how you space things out on a page. You have the advantage here in this environment that you can let the objects snap to the grid behind that you see here. You can set the grid spacing in here in the report properties, and the designs of the reports all follow a grid spacing of 10 points. There are some exceptions, and I'll show the exception here. So, for example, the table here, there are some elements that are smaller than 10 points. The line in here spans a space of 5 points. And for this, you want to add those remaining 5 points to the bottom of the table. Let me show you how to do that and why to do that. So, at the bottom here, we say 10 plus 5, 15 points. And you can see it now is correctly spaced to the bottom line of the grid here. What that gives you is a chance to space the subsequent elements just by drag and dropping. So you can see it snaps to the grid, and as you will see in the guidelines, the guideline is to have 20 points of spacing between two different types of objects, and 10 points within an object. And this is defined, it's up to you in a sense as the creator of that specific report, but in general the idea is that if you have, for example, here an object of a table and an object of a graph, that these are two different objects. But for example, if I had underneath here, let's delete this thing here, let's say this is here, and I had a piece of content. Let's just copy and paste this thing here. If I had a piece of content that was related directly to that graph, it needed to be not 20 points underneath, like in the next object would normally be, but 10 points. Basically, if it had a caption or something. So use that grid, and you'll be designing in no time.